Joe. On the 4th of July 1806, we set sail from the sweet cove of Cork. We were sailing away with a cargo of bricks for the grand city hall in New York. 'Twas a wonderful craft, she was rigged fore and aft, and how the wild wind drove her. She stood several blasts, she had 27 masts, and we called her the Irish Rover. Hi dilly I lum dilly I lum dilly I dilly I day. Hi dilly I lum dilly I lum dilly I dilly I day. She walks along Fitzgibbon Street with an independent air, and then it's down to Summerhill. At her the people stare. She says it's nearly 1:30, so I'll nip in for another little one of the hut to the Rowlett Dicey Riley. Ah, poor old Dicey Riley, she had taken to the soap. Poor old Dicey Riley, she will never give it up, for it's up each morning to the hut, and she nips in for another little drop of the hut to the Rowlett Dicey Riley. Come down from the mountain, Katy Doo. Can't you hear us calling, Katy Daly? We want a drink of Irish Mountain Dew. Come down the mountain, Katy Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katy Doo. Ah, can't you hear us calling, Katy Daly? We want a drink of Irish Mountain Dew. He counted out his money and it made a pretty penny. I put it in my pocket and I gave it to me Jenny. She sighed and she swore that she never would betray me, but the devil take the winning, for they never can be easy. Whack your ring, come a do, come a da. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. Whack your ring, come a do, come a da. Whack for my daddy-o, whack for my daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar.
Hi everyone, today's dance is called Irish Stew. It's a 32 count forward improvable level light dance. Has no check, no restart. Okay, let me face in the back wall. First section, we start with the right foot. We're gonna do 3 points, and together with 2 hand clap. So start with the right foot, point together, point, clap, clap. And then after this one, you do 3 heel switch plus 2 hand clap. So right here, here together, here, clap, clap. Okay, one more time, tap. So start with the right foot, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then the second section, we start with the right foot, do the forward shuffle. So right foot, forward together, forward. And then left foot, rock forward, recover. And then left foot to the coaster step, back together, forward. And after this one, you make a PV heel turn left. So start with the right foot, step, turn left. Right now your weight is on your left foot, you're facing the 6 o'clock wall. Okay, do this section one more time with time. So after your previous section, you do the heel switch for 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then we start with the right foot, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And then the third section, we start with the right foot. We're gonna do 2 New Yorkers. So first start with the right foot, cross, recover, side shuffle. And then the left foot, cross, recover, side shuffle. Okay, do the section one more time with time. So after your previous section, you make a PV heel turn left for count 7, 8. And then we start with the right foot, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then the final section, we start with the right foot. We're gonna do 2 touch. First you touch to the front and then touch to the side. And after this one, we have to do the sailor step, behind, side, side. And then similar pattern to the left foot, but with a turn. So first you do 2 touch to the front, touch to the side. And then we're gonna make a sailor with a quarter turn left. So you do the behind, foot to the left, and left to the side. Right now, you're facing the 3 o'clock walk. Okay, do recession one more time. So after your left foot, you will curve for 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then that's another dance you do from the top. Point and point and point, clap, clap. Okay, now let's put everything together from the top. So we start with the right foot, 3 point and 2 hand crack. So we do a point and point and point, crack, crack, 3 here, here and here and here, crack, crack. The foot forward, shuffle, rock, recover, curve, step, step, up and left. Do your curve cross, recover, side shuffle, again cross, recover, side shuffle, 2 touch from side, set to touch from side, stay low with the pull to turn left. Okay, do one more time with cut. So start with the right foot, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7